Top 10 Facts about Costa Rica. Number 1, Costa Rica is located in Central America and is bordered by Nicaragua to the north, Panama to the south, the Pacific Ocean to the west, and the Caribbean Sea to the east. Number 2, Costa Rica has a population of around 5 million people, making it the second smallest country in Central America. Number 3, the official language of Costa Rica is Spanish, although many people also speak English, especially in the tourism industry. Number 4, Costa Rica is known for its biodiverse ecosystem, with over 500,000 species of plants and animals living in the country. This includes around 8,000 species of orchids and over 500 species of birds. Number 5, Costa Rica is home to several active volcanoes, including Arenal and Poas, which are popular tourist attractions. Number 6, the country has a high literacy rate of around 95%, and education is free and compulsory for children aged 3 to 18. Number 7, Costa Rica is a democratic republic, with a president serving as the head of state and a unicameral legislature. Number 8, the currency of Costa Rica is the Costa Rican colón, which is named after Christopher Columbus. Number 9, Costa Rica is known for its ecotourism industry, with many visitors coming to the country to experience its natural beauty and go hiking, birdwatching, or ziplining through the rainforests. Number 10, the country is known for its coffee, which is considered some of the best in the world. Costa Rica is also a major exporter of bananas, pineapples, and flowers.